Hello, you are working on the Peardeck and I'm making the video to go over this Peardeck with you. When I tell you to pause the video and try to answer it on your own, please do. Take 1-2 minutes to working on that problem and then come back, and then play the video and check the answer with me. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. What is the range of hour that you spend on the language art homework? Okay, you are finding the range. Remember, how do you find the range or the spread of the dot plot? Here's the hint for you. Take the highest value and subtract it to the smallest value. Go ahead and do that. Pause the video and type in the answer. So if you take 9 is the highest value, take away 2 is the smallest value, you will get 7 for the range of the hour that learners spend in a homework, right? Some of them take 2 hours, but some of them may take more than that. The question number 2, find the median. Okay, pause the video. Think about how can I find the median. The median is the middle dot. So go ahead and pause the video and find the median. Okay, I'm gonna find the middle dot. 9, take the dot at 9, take the dot at 2, take the dot at highest value and take the dot at the lowest value until you find the middle point. Okay, I miscount. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 gone. Okay, 1 and 1, 1 and 1, 1 and 1. And I leave myself with the median is 4. Next one. Okay, so this problem, you really need to drag the icon is the flag to the gap. So do we have any gap in this dot plot? And then you move your flag to that point, to the hour that student have the gap spent on language art homework. Pause the video and drag your flag. So the correct answer for this question is the flag gonna be around here. That's 7, right? There's a gap at 7. Next one is we're gonna compare the dot plot is the hour that you spend on science homework and the hours that you spend in math homework, okay? And which dot plot is symmetrical? Pause the video and pick the right one. The correct answer for symmetrical shape is math homework. Symmetrical. Next question. What is the shape of our span on science homework? So we're gonna look on science homework, which is this dot plot right here. And we have the option is symmetrical, skew to the right and skew to the left. Pick the one that you think. So the answer for this question is the science homework. This shape skew right. This shape skew right. Pick the one that's skewed to the right. Next one. Which dot plot have the peak? Drag the star to the peak. So on your Peardeck, you're gonna drag the star to where you see the peak. Pause the video and drag. So the peak is at science homework and at 4. So I put my star right here. Okay, you can put your star around number 4. That's completely fine. So as long as you put it at around 4 hours spending on science homework at 4 hours. Last question, would dot plot have higher median? So we're gonna find a median for the science as well. We're gonna find the median for the math homework. So pause the video, try it on your own. Okay, so let's go over science homework. I'm gonna cross the highest value to the smallest value until I see the middle dot. So we clearly see the median for science homework is at 4 hours. Okay, let's find out in math. Highest value, lowest value. Highest value, lowest value. Okay, so this one is at 5 hours. Okay, so which one have higher median? Math homework.